Hi everyone, sorry about this. Give me 1 minute. I'm just trying to work something out. I'm just trying to work out why, if I stream to YouTube, to Twitch, it's causing overload. And the past few weeks, it's not done that. So, let's figure out. Yeah, instantly over. Okay. Let's try going live again. Okay, so it seems to be more stable this time. But yes, welcome everyone! So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be carrying on with some more of my game. And I have worked on this a slight bit since my last stream. So some of the new things that I've integrated have been this new UI. So if I play the game, I can now actually take damage. Oh, sorry. So as you can see, the sanity meter down here goes down. If I run, the stamina meter goes down. And as you can see, I've just been running straight into okay, the enemy's following me. I completely forgot I coded that. Yeah, I completely forgot I coded the enemy. Well, I say coded the enemy, I chucked a follow script on. Okay, so what I am going to do though is, so what I'm going to be focused. What the? Okay, that was it. Okay, I will back in a sec. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm back. But yes, so health pads working, stuff like that. But yeah, today what I'm going to be focusing on is mostly this. So if I open my Discord, yay, it's working. No, it's not. Why are you not working? It's like when something works earlier and just doesn't work later. Oh, that's why. Me done. Okay, so what I'm going to be working on today is, I don't know why my screen's doing this now. I come back after being ill, and this is what I got to deal with. Okay, I actually have no clue what's going on with my camera today. Okay, let's do this. Sorry, like I said, I've been ill for the past week, and everything just now wants to break on me. How do I do? Which template? That'll do. Hey, I got my colour back. Okay, so what I'm going to be focusing on today is if I can get my actual colours. Okay. Is getting it so I can shoot. So imagine this is the player. This is the player. I want it so if the mouse is here, to shoot this way. Because at the current moment, the shooting system I have installed is using an 8-pin system. So meaning, if I click over here, and I want to shoot over here, it's shooting this way. Same, if I click here, it's not great. So what I need to do is, I need to copy some script over. Because I have actually done some work on this. Why are you over encoding? I've actually done some work on this on a backup test. So at the current moment, my script runs. Let's see which version is this. My script runs this, telling it which attack point it needs to work. Problem is, this works great if you're doing up, down, left, right controls. But if you actually have a mouse input or a another test of inputs, it kind of doesn't work well. So I'm just going to disable Discord for the time being. Okay, has Discord broke? Yeah, Discord's actually broken. Oh, what a surprise. Um. Okay, so where is it? This currently is using a directional scripting, which is not great. So what I mean by that is whenever I press W, it will always do that. If I press W and A, well, yeah, so we'll put attack up. If I press W and A, it goes up into the top right corner, blah, blah, blah. Problem is that doesn't work great. So what I worked on a backup drive test was I integrated this. So this is using the mouse technology we integrated last stream. Hey all, how are you? Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Discord. Did you get a Discord announcement of me going live, or did it not notify you? Because I'm getting this really weird error saying unknown user, and I'm thinking I'm at everyone on my server, and it's just like, it's just not working. Okay. So yeah, so this script's using the mouse directional version. Can you see how the two scripts are completely different now? So if I pull this one and this one, can you see how these two use completely different coordinates? So what I need to do is, I've already pre-integrated this script. This is the same script we were using last stream, at the end of last stream, to get the mouse coordinates. However, I have stripped a piece of code out of it, which was where it was zeroing it either to straight 1 or 0. 1 or -1. That script was kind of causing me issues. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to copy this script entirely, and I'll do a breakdown on stream. Copy that. And I just need to take all this out. Okay, so hopefully this is now going to work. But yeah, anyway, how are you doing today, all? Also, let's put me back in the right corner. Okay, so now if I play this, let's see what happens. Is this going to throw errors at me, or is it just going to cause issues? So yeah, can you see here how now I can shoot? I'm using the mouse button to click, and it is shooting anywhere I want it to. Problem is, it's shooting down the trajectory of the spawn point. And I have a feeling I'm going to drop Twitch in a minute, because Twitch is causing my YouTube to overload. And what I might need it to do is when I'm shooting, I want it to follow the mouse trajectory, which it's not. Okay, so would I do this? Because I need it so I can get the rotational. So pretty much what I need is, let me just bring this card back up. Something that will check which point's active, but will rotate wherever the mouse is. All I can think is potentially having another object here which rotates to face the camera. At all times. Position doesn't matter. It's... I don't know. This is something I don't get. So if I... Watch this, watch this. I'm perfect. I'm not. I don't know. I don't get what's going on. There is... It looks like if I'm not on a black screen, my filter yeah, I don't know. If I'm not on something that's solid, a solid black specifically, it ghosts me. And this is the... So, can you see? This is what it should look like. The only... Hey, Blue Jay. The only thing I've got active at the current moment is my green screen. I don't get why why the on-screen camera is doing this. Yeah, there's no reason for it. Literally no reason. Oh wait, you can't... wait a sec. So yeah, I have no clue what's going on. Set to default. But if I want to clean it up, hit close. Put me on anything other than that, I just ghost. I have no clue why it's doing it. But yeah, so what I need to do is I need to figure out a way to get an object to always rotate to face said camera. Because the mouse doesn't have a rotational direction. Which is kind of an issue. Okay, so... yeah, I don't know. I do. There's something in the settings which just freak out every so often. Okay, so... maybe add a empty object. Call this camera rotation. Then let's get rid of this script, because this script isn't needed anymore. I'm just going to remove the component, because that script's now integrated. That script's now integrated into this script, which I'm also just going to clean some of the code up and take out some of these components, because some of these components aren't even needed anymore, especially these. I'm still going to bracket that out because that's just going to cause commenting issues. I'm looking for TG. Where's the text? There it is. Health, stamina. I can take those out because they're not needed. Nope. I do need the "you're dead" active. Still UI can stay, and still int can stay. Okay. But yeah, how is everyone doing today? Let's get down to the shooting mechanic. So I thought... oh, no, I know what I need to do. I need to know what I need to look up. camera transform? Nope. This is the bit where I always get stuck at, because I need to work out how I can get it so it gets the mouse rotation. To always face it. Unless... No, would that work? Set rotation to... No, that won't work. Okay. So what this does... Okay, so I'm just going to break down this script. So this script up here is the health bar fill script. The health bar fill script is what's currently used on this. So these are using fill settings. And can I change that to... No, I can't. I really wish it was the... I really wish it was the other way around, but... it's not. Hey, no worries. Okay, so... Is my Twitch chat working? No. Okay. I am so confused here. Wait, is my YouTube chat in? Yeah, it is. Okay, so how do I get this quaternion to work? What do I do? I'm so confused. Why can I not? Okay, I need to work out how to get mouse rotation, and a mouse rotation. The mouse doesn't have a rotation because it can't have a rotation. trying to think. How do I get something to shoot towards something? Which has a continuously changing spawn point. It's not too bad. Okay, the thing is, when programming a 3D game, it's so much easier than trying to do a 2D game. Because the thing with a 2D game, well, sorry, 3D game, you can use a collider at a point, and you can see where it's going with the mouse. Well, because it's a spawn point from the edge of the object. With this, it's not, because you have to spawn it from certain locations. So, why can I not? How do I program a rotation in? Trying to think. Also, I really don't need that in twice. Okay. Okay, rotation. Transform. Okay, transform. Nope. Okay, this is gonna sound really weird. I'm gonna have to code it. I'm gonna have to code a secondary transform. So copy that. Let's dump it down at the bottom of the actual script here. Oh. Transform dot rotation equals quaternion dot vector 3 dot forward times Need to create a new one called angle. Two. Which would be mouse position X. Mouse position dot Y? Nope, dot X. With same one but in the Y coordinates. Times mathf dot angle. If this works, I have. Oh, this is going to be a questionable one. This could break everything, this could fix everything, this could be a complete disaster. So I have no clue if this is going to work. No, and it didn't. So why did it not work? Wait. I used mouse position, didn't I? Oh, I'm such an idiot. I had the code. I actually had... So what this code, which I just highlighted, is minusing. This is the codex I needed. Because this is minusing the mouse position from the player position. Apart from that goes backwards, but hopefully that's not going to cause any issues. Otherwise I'll recode, I'll create a new set of code called direction, which could potentially fix that. Mouse X. And since that's only a Y coordinate, I can change that to mouse Y. Let's gonna click save that. This could also not work because the mouse technically doesn't have a proper location. Okay, let's see what this does. Oh my god. If this works, I'll be amazed. Nope. It's kind of doing it. Once I'm doing it on the wrong thing. What if I'm meant to be... No, it's not gonna work. I'll just run it through my head, but no. Okay, let's just get rid of those, because they're not gonna work. How do I get... No, because I was overriding it. Okay. That's what I was doing. Let's see what the good old Tinterweb says. Unity. Mouse rotation. to rotate an object to the... Let me just follow this over here because I've had one which is posted something for. Let's rotate an object to get... Okay, let's see what this says. Okay, I was kind of half right. Okay, so some of the code I did put in was right. Because I put this code in... So where did my code go wrong? God, I need a new PC. Okay. So, okay, this is... So that's not gonna work. Because I thought this code could work, but it's not. But this script actually does have something which was mentioned to me at one point. Let's go drop out that call. I'm so stuck. I need someone to talk for this through with. This is what I really need. I need someone to talk for this through with. But yeah. Okay, so I need something to get said rotation. But I need it so it spawns from a set point and getting said towards. So does that mean the mouse needs it? Does the bullet need the the scripting? Okay, let's have a look at the bullet script. Oh, weapon bullet script, basic bullet up down. Because it's the shoot right, which is what's screwing me. Okay, so I need to work out a way to get the player in the variables. Because if I can get the player into the variables, into this variable, so I need to get it so it calls call a specific game object into the game, into a script. Because if I can call a specific game object into a... Ah, haha, okay. I think I just found it. Okay, that's Java. Okay, so... Okay, I think I've just worked out. Hey, Scriff, can you jump into voice chat? I need someone to talk to real time, not on delay. This could be legacy script, which could cause me issues. Look for party room. Hey, Scruff, you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Sorry, I'm just getting really worked up and I need someone to talk through this problem. So my current... Pardon?
Turn the screen down.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just going to mute the music off as well. So my current problem is I need to get a certain rotation from a certain player rotation. Yeah. Okay. But the problem is I need to call it from various scripts. So I need to call an object script to get a call a script.
Okay. I've never done any coding like this, so if you just need someone to bounce off.
Yeah, I just need someone to bounce off of, because like when you're bouncing inside your own head, you just start going slowly insane. Because you know how this game's shooting, right?
Yeah.
So it's shooting from. So imagine there's 8 points around the player.
Yeah.
And it's shooting, but the problem is it's shooting in a straight line from said direction.
Okay.
So I want it to get the shoot towards the mouse.
Oh, so you want a target to? It sounds like it's shooting from like say the player's got a front. Sounds like it's shooting wherever the player's facing, rather than using the mouse as the targeting.
Yeah, but the thing is, in 2D you can't.
Yeah.
It's not too bad for a box game, because in a box game you can have the cube rotate.
Yeah.
But
I got you.
When you play in a 2D game,
so for example, it's only shooting up when you want it to shoot anyway. Yeah.
So let me just.
I get it.
Yeah, I was hoping to have someone in chat, but I think they're busy today with something. So can you see here? How can you see how the script's now screwed?
Yeah. I've not really done scripting, but yeah.
Can you see how this is? Okay. Can you see how this is just?
Oh god. The stream pause. Yeah. No, it wasn't pause. Why?
Okay, so why are you going in a really weird direction? I think I just broke my script. Said that. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh, we'll get to meet up for coffee or lunch or something.
Oh yeah. When are you down? Well, when
I'm
you.
coming down. I'll be down until about Monday or Tuesday.
Yeah, sounds good. Why? What you got planned for this weekend?
Oh, nothing much. We just hanging out really, and just not a lot. We're sort of like drowning our sorrows about, not even drowning our sorrows about stuff, but this was the weekend, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm. Ironically, I'm going to message. I'm going to find something out. I am going to find out if they actually are. They have brought a secondary streamer in.
Mm-hmm.
Because it turns out. So, do you know that event I went to last weekend?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Someone's going to it, and they were there last year.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
So I will find out if they've got another stream. They brought a secondary streamer in.
No, we think it's yeah.
Because to be honest, I would have never gone upstairs.
Yeah.
Because that's the main issue is, I haven't really spoken about the event from last weekend, have I?
No.
To you?
No. No, we did a Comic-Con as well a few weeks back as well. Me, Wolf, and Abby. And Rob, actually. Rob.
How was that?
Yeah. That was alright. It was smaller than Telford one. We expected it to be bigger because it was actually in the city. Whereas Telford a city? I can't remember.
I honestly don't know.
Oh no, Telford's a town. Yeah.
Oh yeah, also don't kick the person who joined the other server today.
Yeah. We figured out.
Yeah, one sec. There. Sorry, that was my bad.
Yeah, we figured out who that was.
Okay, so
It caused some confusion for a minute. It's like, did Jesse leave the server? It's like, no. It's a second account.
yeah, I've had to create a second account so I can do this on stream.
Oh, okay.
So do you know how now I can do this whilst on stream.
Yeah. Got you.
So I actually have a drawing board, which is always great because it means I can actually draw. So the event I went to, so there's like, imagine the buildings shaped like this, and there's like a cafe here.
Yeah.
So all this is just like food.
Yeah.
And shop. Then this is like the main strip where you come in and out. A bit that goes up in here, but then this is like all seat. This is all seat. Okay, I really should have drawn over this for a little bit further down, so I'm just going to redraw this. If anybody knows this location, please don't say it.
It's a little hard to with the it's almost like Google Maps, that was.
Yeah, so it goes like this. So there's a tiny stage area here.
Yeah.
A seating area here. Like I said, this is all food. Food, and I'm thinking this is storage.
Right, yeah.
On the first floor. And then this is like so this is stage. This is dealer's hall. Across the road, there was just a great big square room which had just boards of anime cutouts and a backdrop. It was like Glasgow.
Oh yeah, I know what you mean.
hmm And it was a 15 quid ticket.
Oof.
It was the first organiser's event, so I'm not sure if it was just a bad event or because it was the first time.
Well, it doesn't sound like a scam at 15 quid a head. That doesn't sound like that. Sounds like someone, you know.
But yeah, it's just like, for what it was expensive. And yeah, they had a few nice shops there. Because they had the one in which they were selling like guns, which actually, it's like when you fired the trigger, went back.
Oh yeah, recoil.
Yeah, so they were nice, but they were selling them like 25 a pop or 40 for two. My main concern is why I didn't buy one. They weren't tipped.
Yeah. Were they proper gun colours as well?
No, they were. Gun colour doesn't mean jack.
I mean, they weren't like brightly. I assume they weren't like bright greens or blues.
They were like greys and blues.
Yeah, gun. Yeah.
But here's the thing: a gun doesn't need to be. It's the shell that doesn't matter. But in the UK, if you have, and for those who don't know, any gun you have has to have an orange tip. This tells the police it's fake. None of the guns at the event which were being sold had this. Which was...
That's kind of no good.
Yeah, which is kind of like... That's a bit scary. Especially if you're doing what I did. I had to come on public transport. So imagine me going in the bus station.
Oh, you won't be coming out of that bus station.
I'll be coming out of it one way or another.
Yeah.
It would be like, oh, well, I'm just going to go, you know, this floor looks comfy. I'm just going to lay here, hands behind my back, legs closed because I was wearing a skirt. Just waiting for the armed police to come by, and it's like, yeah, I've been here since that dropped. Yeah, I know. It fell out. It's fake, isn't it? Yeah, I was at the convention like two streets away.
Yeah.
Why didn't it have an orange tip? Yeah, you may want to go talk to the organizer about that one. But yeah, it was the main thing why I did not buy one, because it was like great for cosplay if I want to go do something on stream. Not so much if I want to go to an event.
Yeah, no.
Oh, what do you think of the new UI, by the way?
Yeah,
I'm not sure if you've seen it work.
That's what I saw. Yeah.
I just don't. What have I done with the rotation?
Don't know.
This should just be shooting forwards. I don't know what I've done. Actually, I don't know what I've actually done to the rotation. Because it has to be rotational. Have I got... Wait. But yeah, how's your week been? Okay. Fine.
Been alright, just yeah, just been alright. Nothing much. Nothing exciting. As of yet.
I don't know what's called. My system just always overloads when I do stuff, and I don't know why.
Okay.
main concern is all the rotations have been screwed by that code. Nope, that's not screwed. But yeah, sorry. Sometimes I just need someone to talk to when doing these because it's one of those where it's like when you've got when you've got no one to talk to, you just start slowly bouncing. But yeah, okay. I don't know why the rotational's gone funked. Because all those rotationals looked fine. Mouse tracking... That's a dead script. I don't need that script active anymore. Basic bullet. I'm thinking I need to do the basic bullet. Because if I can get it so it calls the mouse position...
Yeah.
It will start shoot towards the mouse.
Try it. All you can do is try it and see.
I like how there's one called Name of Va. Okay. Transform dot wait a sec equals player dot oh wait, I'm not showing this because of Discord. Player dot mouse. Is that mouse script a private script? Is the question. Public. You know what I mean by public, don't you? Oh, crap.
Public.
So when you're in scripting.
Yeah.
So when public, it means that you can call it from any other script.
Oh, right, okay.
So now I've saved that, I should call it. Well, ideally it should, but... Player get component. Player movement. My god, this line of code is just going to be stupidly long because of how it's been written. dot camera, no dot mouse. Okay, so this is going to work on the right.
Okay.
Bullet. Because there's an up, down, and right bullet, because for some reason, if you wanted to shoot the bullet script I've got, if you want to shoot, it takes the transform of the right. The problem is, if you're facing left and you shoot it, guess which direction it goes in? It goes straight into the player. But yeah, this is the first week I've actually got stumped.
Ah. So I want to know where to start. It's like this.
Oh yeah. Oh look.
You got it? Or
Can you see there? Can you see how it's actually heading towards?
aha! You figured it.
So it's at least shooting towards. So can you see it's transforming? But when it's... But then when you get down here... Oh yeah, can you see there? Can you see this is what I mean? This is the issue I have. Can you see there? But when I'm doing it down here... Can you see how the right ones look better than the left ones? Where the left ones, literally I'm shooting here. They're just not even shooting towards it. Or this one here. Literally, that's nowhere near the mouse. So, now I've got that working, I should be able to just copy and paste that over.
First step done. Oh, this first step, yeah.
But yeah, no. Oh, last week I got... So last week I actually streamed twice during this. The first week, the first one I did, I kind of panicked.
Broke everything.
No, I just got frustrated. Things were just breaking for no reason. Things were just breaking, and once you get to that point, you just get so frustrated.
Oh yeah, you got to step away.
Yeah. Ah, so it's the left bullet that has the prototype code on it. I want to put a half-life on these bullets. So after, let's say, 12 seconds, after, let's say, 5 seconds, the bullet just dies. Because ideally you don't want it going on infinitely, because if it doesn't collide with something, and you're spamming it a million times, you have a slight issue of cheese. You know, you have billions of cheese floating around the world.
Yeah.
But yeah, I really need to buy a new PC. Because this PC cannot handle what I'm doing anymore. It's like it's taking forever to compile just four scripts. I would hate to see what this has to do when I'm actually doing a 3D game.
Yeah.
Ironically, I think that if I was going to do a 3D game, I really want to make a 3D version of this game. Okay, I need to move from it. Oh, crap. Oh my god, did I... Cube, please say you've got player health. Yeah, you did have player health. But why did you not die? Oh, yeah, you need to take 10 bullets, don't you? Ooh, okay, that's... What's that hitting? Can you see how that bullet's just passing through?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's dead. Okay, is it me or this velocity just completely dumb?
No idea.
Oh yeah, do you remember what I was on about with player expansion?
Mm-hmm.
That's why I needed it. Because if I don't put a decay rate on these, you end up with just billions traveling so fast. Okay, I'm just gonna turn that to half the speed because that was just traveling stupidly fast. But yeah, where do you want to meet up? Do you want to meet up normal place?
Oh, yeah. Mate, yours go to
Yeah.
last time. Yeah.
Yeah.
I said I don't know what day it'll be yet. Be Monday or Tuesday. Depends what happens this weekend. I will let you know close to the end of the weekend. If that's all right.
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright.
Because who's coming up anyway?
We're not sure yet because some people aren't sure whether they're coming or not. So we are just sort of playing it by ear, see who turns up day by day. Much as me, Nash, and Tanuk came up actually.
Oh, is she coming up with Pengy?
No, Pengy might turn up later tonight, and Swifty we don't know if Swifty's coming in at all. You know, Blue definitely didn't because he had to fly out. And I think Paul and Nux pulled that as well. We don't know. We don't know yet.
Right.
We will take it as it is.
Yeah, I might have found this code is nowhere near perfect. Look, just look.
Yeah.
This is colliding with something and it's just disappearing. It's like if it's anything, it's hitting anything with a collider. It's just like. Oh, this is the one thing. It's nice to have 3D assets.
Mm-hmm.
Because do you know how you cheat with 3D assets?
What's that?
You have so the player rotates using a control. So the player rotates, and on the end of that player is an object, which then basically has a point. With 2D, it doesn't have that point.
Yeah.
Should I turn this into a 3D game just to make it so much easier? Be interesting to do it 3D.
Yeah. But yeah, get 2D down first. Then.
No, to be honest, 3D is actually easier.
Oh yeah.
Think of it this way: 3D is just getting the position, player movement, and stuff like that working. Yeah. Once you get the player movement done, a lot of it is actually easier because you don't have to defy stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember what I was on about with player movement?
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of the scripts I've got in here should transfer over. I just need to turn it from 2D to 3D.
Mm-hmm.
So let's do that now. I'm just going to close this project because that's going to cause issues. I'll keep this script open because I'm going to have to pull a lot of scripts from this project. Mostly the player movement. Let's create a new project. Yeah, I need the 3D pipeline pre-built in. Well, I'm still using the old company name. 3D Jesse game. Jesse top down. Because the nice thing about doing a top down, it's getting rid of one of the things which I'm the weakest at.
Yeah.
The art is the weakest bit, which I'm struggling at. That's the key thing I'm struggling. If it wasn't for art assets, yeah. So yes, I'm now going to have to do a lot of 3D modeling. But do you know the thing is about me? I know how to 3D model.
Ah.
Change. Nope, I can't change that. Just kind of sucks. I actually know how to 3D model.
Mm.
Which means I can transfer a lot of my skill sets because I've still got stuff like Blender installed.
Okay.
Ever heard of Blender?
Yeah, I know Blender.
My god, Blender's changed since I last used it. The UI assets have changed so much. Okay, so this is now just turned into, let's see how much we can strip out of this project and into this one. I am going to carry on with a 2D project because I would like to have it. To be honest, I thought a 2D project would be easier.
Mm-hmm.
But I've just come across so many issues. So this is going to be interesting how my machine handles a 3D project.
Yeah.
Which means I could have to drop the Twitch integration.
Okay.
Twitch takes it.
Just working it. Yeah.
Just dealing with it on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm just thinking it's the dual casting which is causing me issues.
Mm-hmm.
Because streaming to, believe it or not, streaming to YouTube is a lot lighter than streaming to Twitch.
Ah.
Yeah. Because, you know, YouTube takes some of the processing load off. Twitch expects you to do everything. Which kind of causes issues. Which is mostly... Oh, do you know one nice thing I did about this project, though? I commented a lot of my code. Yeah, the one thing you should always do when coding, comment everything.
Right.
Do you know what I mean by commenting on code?
I assume just making notes as you go along. I think.
Yeah. So can you see here?
Yeah.
This is the one thing you should always do on coding. Comment everything. It's like here.
Ah.
Can you see here? Comments. What do these variables do?
Yeah.
Probably another 2 hours. Can you see here? Oh yeah, what's this? It's in game objects. What assets belong in this world? The only issue I'm gonna have is the switching of worlds. Because you know the world switching attribute I have in this game.
Yeah. The sort of soul regroup sort of.
Yeah, that's why I kind of chose 2D for this project. Because I'm thinking having 2D switched on, having it as 2D is a lot easier because it's just like sprite switching. It's the 3D which is the issue.
Yeah.
But one thing about 3D is you don't have to worry about collisions. Because you can chuck a box in the world, put a collider on it, and when you play a ragdoll hits it, you don't move.
Yeah.
With 2D, you have to code it in, telling it not to move.
Yeah.
Which is kind of dumb.
I'm going to have to love you and leave you, unfortunately.
Yeah, no worries. Thank you for helping me out.
All right.
So.
All right. But yeah, I'll let you know when I know things. Yeah.
Hey, no worries.
Right.
Hey, Content Crate?
Yeah, do it.
Yeah, okay, talk to you later, Squiff, and hope you have a good weekend.
Cheers. Right.
Bye. But yeah, how are you doing? Oh my god, I hate Twitch. So, at the current moment, what I'm doing is I'm trying to get this world to load. It's just generating the world and it's installing entirely new packages. Okay, so Unity's moving. So we may actually be turning this game into a 3D game instead of a 2D game. What could go wrong? Apart from absolutely everything. Oh wait, is that when you add smell-o-vision into it? Oh, and by the way, there are some games which did. So I went to a convention 7 years ago. Oh my god, I'm feeling old now. 7 years ago, one of the things they were testing at the event, smell vision. Yep. And do you know what game they were testing it on? South Park. What's the second one? It was South Park. Oh, what's the second South Park? Yeah. So I can pull the actual thing up. Yeah, 20. Oh wow, I feel old now. Here it is. This was an actual thing they did. I was on YouTube. Yeah, it had to be Ubisoft. What do you?
It caught me off guard. I didn't think it would be that smelly. It's very, very South Park.
So you guys are my fart squad here.
It was awkward yet pleasant at the same time.
I don't know how you guys could get the smell of a fart like that. It felt like I was literally breathing the air out of someone's asshole.
I had to go out of my mouth after a while. It was just like, no, man, I ain't doing this.
It was very authentic. It smells like some basements I've hung out in. It was like an old lady fart passing through an onion.
Yeah, you can really tell the difference between a fart and a poop. Like, I could tell that he had eggs that morning and maybe some blueberries.
Oh,
I haven't.
somebody made a stinky winky.
The game looks great. The humor's there. I like how they formatted the battle system this time.
I'm impressed at how they upgraded the battle.
I don't know. Maybe the bit where people were puking in buckets after they played this game for too long.
System from Stick of Truth.
We gotta get the game.
Thank you.
I've pre-ordered the game already.
I thought the game was great.
A lot more strategy.
The game was a lot of fun.
Oh, I'm 100% pre-ordering.
Let's actually see what happened to the Nautilus Rift. Did it?
Check this out.
I never want to be near a Nautilus. Oh, wait a sec. Did Nautilus I think Nautilus actually just crapped itself. And why has my camera done this? My camera was fine. I believe it crapped out. This must have been a gimmick item they brought across, because the Nautilus Rift just only is mentioned with one game. Yeah, the Nautilus Rift just crapped itself out. Yeah, but yeah, that was meant to be 4D. So let's see. They actually explained how the tech worked, actually. When the player farts in the game, it triggers an air pump that generates a flow that goes through a polymer drop in order to spread. Okay, so my guess. Let's give me a drawing pad. Yeah, let's paint. Okay, paint. Come on. My guess is when they had the stands. Imagine this is a stand. Sorry, imagine this is a stand. Just get rid of these. My guess is when they had these here, underneath the desk, there's a compressed air cylinder, which leads up into the device, which is then there's like a device here, which intersects the two, and it has something like a vape mixture. And it has like a vape mixture, meaning when that drop gets put into the thing, with how it could be a drop, but imagine the PSI could be 1,000 PSI. No, maybe 150 PSI. No, that would be blowing blow your head off. Okay, imagine there's a PSI. So when that droplet hits, it basically just gets vaporized into a million pieces. And then it hits your nose. That's my guess on how it works, at least. Did I just put a collider on? I had a mesh collider already. This just needs a ridge. Rigid body. Why? Oh my god, I can miss both today. Rigid body. And let's see what happens this. Okay, at least it works. Then let's add a new asset pack called scripts. called... let's create a new one called Play of Movement, and no way am I stealing all my code from my last game. I'm stealing all the code from my last game. Because my main concern at the current moment, I'm either going to have to listen super low poly, or my game's going to have super bad issues when world switching assets. Do you know how I said I was just going to bring everything over? I literally just cloned the entire code. Okay, let's see how much of the code did I clone over. Yeah, most of that's over. Okay. Oh, I did a dum-dum. Do that. Okay, so we should now have through. Okay, why is the UI not working? Okay, I'm gonna say that. Oh, I know why, because I don't have the UI variable packs in, so I'm gonna have to do this. UI canvas is gonna bring a pop-up. Okay, maybe not. Save that. Ah, because it's not using Unity. It's using Unity engine dot. Is it ProText? Text mesh. I think it's text mesh. Nope. Using ProTP, that's one it's using. TMP Pro, and that should fix all my script. I can dump this script, because this script ain't needed anymore. I'm gonna leave the attack point, which is this one, to null for the time being, because I do need one attack point. For testing. Let's get the player movement script. Dump this in here, then I know it's going to need the move variable, cause it sets. Because that's calling something that doesn't exist. This walkable isn't needed, because that's just leftover code. so I can probably kill that. That doesn't matter anymore, since this is a 3D game. I'm gonna bracket these out because they're something to do with that. Save. We should have a movable character now. Sorry, I'm having to have scripts on two different screens because I'm pulling. Okay, I need to comment that out. Wait, why is that kicking up? Because that's just an integer which hasn't even been assigned. Are you just kicking up because it's not? You're just kicking up because it's not being assigned. Oh, I really hate script like this. I actually hate script when the program yells at you, "You've not assigned this. This variable's here." I know it's there. I know it's empty. I've not done anything with it. Okay, so I should be able to just drag this on here. These won't cause issues. Nor will these. They're just empty scripts, which aren't called, hopefully. Did I do a dumb thing? Nope. Why are you not working? That's Jesse's top down. Health is more than 0. Get access. Okay, now I'm confused. No, when I say low poly, I actually mean something which is low polygons. Do I need to actually assign my player object? Okay, I have no clue what's going on, but I'm hitting up, down, left, right. It's shifting my mouse location. Okay, what the actual... I have no clue what's going on there. It can't be because of the health. The health system automatically is at 100. Okay, this is new. Nope, don't need to have any of that changed, because, yeah. Move speed is 0. Nope, no. Default move speed 0. So speed times 0. My interpolation times speed, and you get speed is 0. Okay. Move speed. Try 6. Very confusing. Let's have a look at the 2D code. Must be something in the 2D code I'm missing. Is moving, is walkable. Nope. Okay. Because is walkable doesn't matter anymore. Is walkable was just an overlay system. But moving shouldn't have any issues. Let's just change this color to... Oh yeah, I keep forgetting 3D, you have to have materials. Okay. It might be worth sticking with 2D for the time being. But yeah, people in cities thought we were living on... Yeah, to be honest, yeah. People thought we'd be living on Mars, but yeah, we're not going to be living on Mars anytime soon. Okay, let's go back to this. Let's see if we can work this out. Because yeah, I'm thinking after I finish this 2D project, I will be doing a 3D project. Because I'm thinking a 3D project could be a more interesting one to work on, because my main issue with a 2D project isn't the coding. It's getting someone to do the artwork. Because that's the thing, the artwork is my primary issue. But why is the bullets now doing this weird thing? I know why the bullets are doing that. Okay, transformed, alright. Okay, so let's just go file. Should be able to hit save all, right? Yeah, save all. This is just setting attack points. And that's getting rotation. Fine. That should reset the entire project back to the beginning when I started this stream, which kinda sucks. Okay, the up bullet needs correcting. The down bullet doesn't, though. So why is up not working? Oh, do you know why it's not working? It helps if I actually give it the right thing. Okay, at least we're back to zero again. So how do I get something to move towards the target, which I want it to target? I'm trying to think. No, I need it so a magnetic function could work, but the problem is I need it so just so when I click, it takes the rotation. The only other way I can think of doing it because have you ever played Hades? So I'd like to do a game similar to this. So this takes player rotate. I want to try to generate the movement system this game has. So, like when he's running around. No, the current issue I'm having is programming it. Oh, the animating it's not that hard. Oh, where's my controller? Animating it's not that hard, so I'm actually looking into seeing if someone can help me do the animations and stuff. What the bit that I'm struggling with at the moment is getting it to work. So I have the attack system to work. Blender works great if you're doing it for 3D but not 2D. Sorry, I'm just thinking. I need to work on a new script. Okay. UI script. Create a new one. Create new CS sharp. Call it. Delete. Sword. Swing. The thing is, I don't want to use ChatGDP. Where's left bullet? Why did this not work? Ah. Create a new variable. Public flow. Call it timer. Timer equals time. If timer equals more than time, keep hitting on 1. Public flow lifetime. Go set. I don't have to set timer. I just have to set this. I'm gonna go give it a float of 5 as a default. Yeah, I'm actually live on YouTube now too. If you go to what do we... If you go to there, this is where I'm actually streaming live as well. Now I need to create a 2D sprite. Circle. Make it red. Drop the script on it. I also have a second channel where I actually do, so I actually run two channels. So I have the gaming channel, which is where I do all my gaming channel, which is the link, wait a sec. Link here. That's my gaming channel. The one I just posted in chat is the second channel. That's where I do all these. This is where all the game development, that's where all the game development stuff's going. Prefabs, draw a line there. I can now delete that. Now if we go to play movement, and I believe it's attack. Melee attack. I can make it so it does this. I'm just going to copy this code, however, I'm going to be changing the code slightly to sword swing. And no, it's not sword swing, it's actually attack point icon. Save that. Go back to the editor. But yeah, I'm actually trying to get to 1,000 subs on my gaming channel. Because at the moment I believe I'm on 291. That's what I want. Okay, let's see if this works. Because I've got shooting and I now got sword swing. Sword swing was done last week. Okay, so what's this? So this error is new. I wonder, is it time.delta time? Okay, let's try that. Let's see if that kills that warning message. I have a feeling it's time.delta time that's screwing. It needs to be time.delta time, not time.time, because time.time is how long the game's been running. Nope. Definitely not time.delta time. I'm guessing it's time. Actually, do you know what? We can actually do a test on this. I need to create a new UI asset, call it time. Start by create new UI image. Put this up here, call it time. Call it time display. Go up here, call it where's the HUD stuff? There is UI. Call it public text mesh pro and call it time. Call it timer. Call it then timer equal timer dot text equals time played plus time dot time. What is that? Okay, so what this should do now, technically, should they change the text up in the top right corner. Okay, that's strange. That's flagged as a T. Okay. Why is that not working? Because it's not the right type. Could have screwed my own code. Okay, where's that text? That text not belong there. That text belongs. Yup. Game. There. Okay, I'm just going to put that there. Okay, so time plus more than time plus lifetime. At start, lifetime equals timer public flow life duration equals, call it free, semicolon equals lifetime timer plus life duration. So what this does on the first frame, I should do this on a wait. No, yeah, start should fine. Start does it on first frame. So lifetime now equals duration. So if it exceeds this, it gets deleted. But at the beginning on its first frame, this is set, and that should be awake. Okay, that could be a start function or an awake function. It's either one of the two. I've lost my debug console, and I don't know where my debug console's gone. Where's the debug console gone? Nope. So, sword swing didn't work right. So I'm guessing this isn't awake. I'm guessing this is start. That has to be a start function and not an awake function. Okay, maybe not. But anyway, at least we now have something which... And thank you for the follow, Rainy Day. I do appreciate it. So that's working. It's just once I can get the shooting to work, I'll be happy, because the shooting's the main issue. My only other thought for the shooting is I have a reticle going around the side. And then when the player shoots, the player does a really weird, janky rotational. And that's all I can think. Because, yeah, I have no clue. I'm just stuck. But I'm thinking I might call it a night here. Because it feels like I'm just going around in circles at the moment. So yeah. Plus, it will give me time to properly look into this issue, because I have no clue. For the past 3 weeks, I've had good flow for this project, and today's just completely derailed that. Because I do have player movement, and I kind of have an attack system. One thing I will do, though, is this capsule down here, which is actually in an enemy. I'm going to shrink it. Size is 1x1. No, not 1x41. 1.5. Okay, at least that's now on grid. Wait, can I get... Ooh, okay. Before I do that, what I am gonna do, vector 2 of player position. Enemy. Enemy. This is gonna sound really weird coding, but it's gonna make sense in a minute. Because I'm just thinking, I need to get the X and Y position in 0.1 scales. So, nope, they don't want to go there. They want to go here. Now it's just these two, which I need to get. These go into the public. And they do not want to be in that one. They want to be in this one. That needs to be classified as a transform dot, because it's actually on the object, so that dot position dot position dot Y. That will work. To player dot position dot Y. Okay, let's try this code. Because I need these variables to be somewhat public. Because I'm just thinking I need something for the animator. There, can you see at the bottom? Wait a sec, you can't see it. Default speed is 2. So can you see these two variables here? Okay, at least I've got something working, which... Okay, so now I need to make it... So it's got its own attack rate. Its own attack ring. There's probably so... I need to... do you know what? I might actually look at some good tutorials and see what other people have done, because it seems like what I'm doing is such a convoluted way of doing it. But anyway, thank you everyone who came by. I do appreciate it. Sorry if I've not done much today. It's just today oh my I do not know what's gone on with today. But let's go find someone to raid. None of my normal suspects are on. That's weird. Actually, there is one. Okay, let's go raid Nikki. Thank you everyone who came by onto either my YouTube streams or my Twitch streams. If you are not following my YouTube, please do come follow. Because if you're not following my primary gaming channel, please do, because I am trying to get to 1,000 subs on there, and I am getting close. About 710 away at the moment. I say close, but anyway. And everyone on YouTube, I will hopefully see you tomorrow on on the gaming channel, where I will be carrying on with some mod Tomb Raider. So yes, I will see you guys there. Night guys.